How to enable voice and data roaming. Many people find using their mobile phone while traveling internationally stressful. There is no need to worry. Pond Mobile is here to help guide you through what you need to know about enabling data and/or voice roaming. Your mobile phone has just become much easier to use while abroad. In this video, we will show you how to enable roaming for voice and data, enable LTE mode, change your wireless network in roaming, and register the APN or Access Point Network. To enable roaming for voice and data, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, and make sure roaming is turned on. To turn on LTE, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, Network Mode, and make sure LTE is set to the on position. While you do this, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. Now, let's review how to register the APN or Access Point Network. Please keep in mind that not all carriers will give you access to this menu. So if you follow all the steps and don't see the APN setting, you will need to contact your provider. Start by going to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names. Please note that some providers may have these settings blocked. Let's review how to enable roaming options for voice and data on your mobile device again. Here is how to turn data roaming on or off, prepare for international trips, and more. Start by going to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, Network Operators. Here you may see several options. Not all of them may work, so you may need to check with your provider to see which one to select. Or you can simply apply the trial and error method. Note, please be patient. It can take 2 to 3 minutes to connect to another network. Thank you for watching our instructional video. We hope it was helpful. If you'd like to see tips about other mobile phones functions or fixes, drop a note in the comments below. We would be happy to put together a video. For more videos, please check out our YouTube channel and subscribe.